we're going to convert a JPEG to a PDF. So this is a picture of my dog, Callie. Okay, so we're gonna take this picture and convert it to PDF. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna point to PDF. Okay, so if you see here, there is Microsoft point to PDF, and this is a Windows computer. All Windows computers have this option, and I keep the default settings and I click print, and I'm gonna give this a name, and then as you can see here it says PDF, and I click save, and we go to the location where I saved it. If you can see here, this is a PDF, Kali.pdf, and if you open this, it will open as a PDF file, and this is how I open this in Microsoft Edge. And now I'm gonna open this in Adobe Acrobat as well, so you can see it as a PDF. And that's all it takes to convert a JPEG to a PDF without using any other software. You can just open the JPEG and print to PDF. Please subscribe.